Welcome to one of the most satisfying and realistic candle tutorials on YouTube. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious looking cupcake candle step by step. If you love realistic candles, dessert candles, and relaxing candle making videos, you are in the right place. Let's start. I use 3% paraffin and light brown color for my cupcake candle. I melt the paraffin and the color together. Then I pour it into the cupcake mold and let it cool completely. After about 30 minutes, when it becomes hard, I remove it from the mold. Now I make the chocolate decorations by increasing the amount of brown color and pouring it into chocolate-shaped molds. To make the whipped cream, I use 3% paraffin again and lilac color. After melting, I mix it with a beater until it looks exactly like real cream. Then I pour the cream on the cupcake and decorate it. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss future tutorials. If you have any questions, write them in the comments and don't forget to like the video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.